Today I'll be sharing one of the best ways you could make 1000 rands per day on Betway. Watch till the end for more tips or strategies. So I will be focusing on the Portuguese Premier Liga. I'll be making an example with these following teams, which are Sporting, CP and Benfica. We are going to check the previous matches of the two which they played 5 matches. You can see that on the 24 April 2, they made a draw. You could see that Benfica and Sporting CP scored 2-2 the second half. And the method of which we're using here is that both halves over 1.5, which here, depending on how you bet, I would advise you to bet for both teams. I'm gonna make the over 1.5. You'll be betting for yes or no. You'll choose the option of low. Going to the second match, 2024 6 April, you could see that Sporting CP won the match 2-1, which the first half they scored 2 goals, second half 1 goal was scored. So it means that you just have to pick the no again so you could read your bet. Most of the time, this bet is good when you're betting for the both halves are not gonna be over 1.5. Because if you say they're gonna be over 1.5, you're gonna lose. Because let's check the other stats. On December 2024, 29th, you can see that Sporting CP won the match again with 1 goal, which the no still applies. You could win your bet. On January 11th, 2025, we could see that Benfica won the match with penalties, but penalties are not counted when using the strategy. So you could also win if you choose for the no option. Going to the May 10, 2025, you could see that both teams did draw. And the strategy of which I'm talking about did apply here, but only if you choose the low option, you're gonna win. So there's a higher chance of you winning using the strategy, because you can see that it worked from all the previous 5 matches of those teams. Thank you for watching till the end. Subscribe for more strategies.